Look at this. This is not that. Look at this. This is amazing. Let's have a look through here. Rocks of the northwest. Sutherland. This rock, the Foycoid Beds, is 500 million years old. What size? 550 million years old. Limestone, 490 million years old. Moynihan, 1,100 to 413 million years old. What size? 570 to 550 million years old. Horridinian sandstone, 1,000 million years old. Louisianian gneiss, 1,100 million years old. Pegmatite, 1,700 million years old. Confirm that these rocks are old.
I tell you what, it's bloody windy. It's bloody windy here. I've never been this far north before.